All right, the truck is all loaded up. 4Runner, ready to go as well. You ready? Me too. All right. And we're off. All right, so right now we're currently heading out of Reno on 80 East. This is our navigation for the trip. It's gonna be about a 10-hour drive total. More with gas stops and all that. Oh, look at this angle. This is some tech. I got the suction cup on the moonroof right now. Just testing out this angle. I don't really know what it's gonna look like. But right now we are currently about a little over 2 hours into the drive. We got about 7 hours left, I believe, and we're still passing through Nevada, on our way to Elko right now, and we'll be stopping at a gas station there to fill up. Hoping to get to Salt Lake by the daytime while it's still light out, which I think is really possible, and then yeah, hoping to get some light for the road to Moab, but who knows, so we'll see. It's all an adventure. Alright, so we're pulling up to this Chevron.
What's your gas tank at? I'm at a quarter.
I'm at a little bit above a quarter, so we can just fill up right here.
Okay,
Fill up our gas tanks. These gas guzzlers. I can't imagine what a V8 would be like.
Turn right to merge onto I-80 East toward Elko.
Alright, so we're hopping back on the freeway once again.
For 231 miles, continue straight.
Never really get tired of that exhaust. You see that pink rock?
Oh, that's awesome. Big old tumbleweed on the freeway.
Damn, ran right into it.
Oh, dude, I see it.
Is it stuck on the front?
You got a big ass tumbleweed stuck to your front. That's awesome.
God damn it.
Let's see how long that stays on.
tumbleweed actually was on my bumper. We just got into Utah and just finished filling up. Alright, so we got pasta for dinner.